The youngest emperor in history became the most useful puppet of the 20th century. It's 1925 Vietnam. A 12-year-old boy sits on the throne while French officials make every decision. Bao Dai dreams of independence, but serves whoever promises him power. He collaborates with Japanese invaders, then declares freedom when they surrender. Ho Chi Minh's communists force him to give up the throne, but France brings him back as their anti-communist weapon. America pours millions into supporting him, seeing their perfect Asian ally against Ho Chi Minh. But while his people fight and die in jungle warfare, he gambles in French Riviera casinos, destroying any credibility he had left. The CIA decides he's useless and backs Ngo Dinh Diem in a rigged vote that removes him with 98% against him. Every foreign power used him when convenient, then abandoned him when he became a liability. He dies alone in Paris exile, forgotten by every patron who once needed his royal legitimacy. The boy emperor who served anyone who would have him was Bao Dai.